Hey guys, this is Satya. Hope you all are doing well. Now in today's Excel tips, now we're gonna learn about a new concept called absolute value. Now we'll see what absolute value is. Absolute value. What and how can we get the absolute value? Absolute value is a numeric value which is derived from the set of the data which is largely used in firms for testing the machines or in organizations for multiple data analysis. So that is what an absolute value is. So this command calculates the value of a number irrespective of the positive or a negative. The syntax for the absolute value would be is equal to ABS open bracket and the cell number then close the bracket. Now let's see how to use this particular function. Now I'm taking as raw data which has the data which is a positive, negative and decimal as well. So now I would want the absolute value for this particular data. So now let's see how to do absolute value, how to derive an absolute value for this particular data. Now it is a simple formula. You will have to type is equal to ABS open bracket, select the data, close the bracket and enter. You will get the data. If you do a copy paste from top to bottom, you will be getting the absolute value of the data set that which we have. So if you see over here, the 5 is represented as 5. The minus 5 which was there in the next row, it is represented as 5. 1.5, 1.75, it is 1.75. The minus, it is still showing us 1.85. So in this way, you will get the absolute value. So this particular absolute value is largely used in firms for testing the machines and in the organizations for doing an analysis. I think you have loved this particular video. Hope you have liked this particular video and learned an absolute value concept. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe for our channel and please do comment on this particular absolute value contest. Thank you.